So here's a basic review of a really cheap, easy wood splitter. Um, Works pretty good. The only thing I would really say about this wood splitter is that you really need to have a base. So if you notice on the video, it's sitting on a wood. I actually just threw some 2x4s together, bolted them together, then anchored the wood splitter to the platform or to the base. So it gave it more stability because once you start whacking it and hitting it, as you'll see in this video, it's going to want to bounce everywhere. So you really got to have it mounted to something, either to concrete, a stump, or a wood base, but you need to be mounted to something. The other thing is on these pieces, they shouldn't be no longer than maybe 12, maybe 14, 15 inches. Basically, the length of the overall thing. Make it too long, it won't split very well. Dry wood splits way better than the green wood. But other than that, it's a pretty good tool. Very basic. Just make sure you have your good 10-pound sledgehammer and get to work.